Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for video making. Canva provides an incredibly intuitive platform, making video creation accessible to everyone. You can begin by selecting from thousands of pre-designed templates, perfect for social media, presentations, or personal projects. It's simple to upload your own photos and video clips, or you can explore Canva's vast collection of stock media to kickstart your creative process. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started. Once you have your media, editing in Canva is a breeze. Simply drag and drop various elements, including text, graphics, and audio, directly onto your video timeline. You can easily adjust the length of your video clips, trim unwanted segments, and add smooth transitions between different scenes for a professional flow. Don't forget to experiment with filters, effects, and animations to give your video a unique and polished look, all with just a few clicks. Audio is a crucial component of any compelling video, and Canva makes it simple to add. You can browse Canva's extensive music library to discover the ideal soundtrack that complements your video's mood and message. For a personal touch, easily upload your own voiceovers or sound effects. Remember to adjust the volume levels for each audio track and synchronize them perfectly with your visual content to create a harmonious and impactful viewing experience for your audience. After perfecting your video, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. You can download your completed project in high-definition MP4 format, ensuring excellent quality. Canva also allows you to share your video directly to popular social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok with just a few taps. For team projects, easily collaborate by sharing a project link, enabling others to provide feedback or make edits. Your amazing video is ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.